If you are struggling with hair loss or hair thinning, you've probably heard of hair growth helmets. These devices are designed to promote hair growth and prevent hair loss with a technology called low-level laser therapy or LLLT. LLLT works by using specific wavelengths of light to stimulate hair follicles, increasing blood flow to the scalp and promoting hair growth. The lights used in this helmet are usually laser, which have been shown to penetrate deeply into the skin and promote healing and rejuvenation. When the light emitted by the helmet is absorbed by the hair follicles, it will provide energy to the hair follicles and promote cell metabolism. This in turn leads to increased hair growth, thicker hair, and in some cases, reversal of hair loss. Hair growth helmets are easy to use and can be used at home, making them a convenient option for those who don't want to go to the hair clinic or salon. Most hair growth helmets only require a few sessions per week, with each session lasting approximately 20 to 30 minutes. While results may vary, many people report significantly improvement in hair growth and thickness after using a hair growth helmet. However, it is important to note that hair growth helmets are not a quick fix and need to be used consistently over weeks or months to see results.